In monitoring and evaluation, the changes that a project or a program brings is usually described in terms of results. So, it is important that we understand some of the key terms used in monitoring and evaluation to understand it better. Inputs. These are the resources that we put together to conduct some activity. Inputs are the things that we need to put in place before we can start our project or program. Inputs can be in the form of human resources, financial resources, material, and technological inputs. For example, materials for construction activity, seeds and seedlings to be distributed to the farmers, medicine and vaccine to be given to patients are some of the examples of inputs. Activities. These are the actions taken or the work performed with inputs to produce something. For example, delivering training, constructing hospital or bridge, distributing food, or distributing farm inputs are some of the activities. Outputs. These are the direct product, service, capabilities or infrastructure resulting from our activities. Usually, it is immediate, visible, concrete and tangible. For examples, pamphlets distributed, research published, water treatment plant commissioned, participants trained, food aid delivered, funding made available are some of the outputs. Outcomes. These are the changes that is expected to occur once one or more outputs are realized. These are usually the changes in level of understanding and behavior among the beneficiaries of our project or program. For example, increased level of green water usage by communities or increase in institutional deliveries are some outcomes. Impact. These are the long-term effect that the project or program brings. It is the change that happens as a result of outcomes. These are expressed in terms of country, region or a province and seen after the project ends. However, the executing agency has limited control over the impact of any project or program. Sustainable development goals, national priorities, missions and visions of companies are some of the examples of impact. Let's understand the key terms from going to school analogy. Suppose we send our kids to school. The kids themselves, their time, the book and the pencil that we give them becomes the input. The kids going to school and studying every day is an activity. Getting better grades and passing the exam becomes an output, and getting a good job becomes the outcome. But why do you want to get a good job? Maybe to live a happy life with lots of money, lots of free time and good health. So this is the impact that we want to bring to the life of our kids. But unfortunately, impacts are also affected by other factors like the personal relation, economic condition of the country and job opportunities. So we can see that impact is subject to multiple influences. Now that we know the key terms used in monitoring and evaluation, we should understand that they are all linked through a causal chain, where each will lead the others to happen. And that is the essence of monitoring and evaluation.